Hello, this is Juma Haldar. Today we will discuss about how to handle office politics in an innovative way. First, we will understand what is politics. Politics is a set of activities that are associated with making decisions in groups or other forms of power relations among individuals, such as the distribution of resources or status. Now we will come to office politics. What is office politics? Office politics arises when employees tend to misuse their power to gain undue attention and popularity at the workplace. Now, who are the practitioners? You have divided according to the agreement and trust. There are 5 types of practitioners. What are they? They are allies, opponents, adversaries, fence-sitters, and bedfellows. Each type has different character and behavior, and according to that, communication pattern segregated. The behavior of people falling in 5 clusters. Now, who are the allies? Allies are carry good relationship. They affirm agreement. They can be relied on. They acknowledge doubts. They are very aligned to proposal or suggestion being made. You can rely on them. They are not going to backstab you anytime. If you come up with any doubts, they are going to acknowledge you. So for them, we can choose informal communication. They can ask you open-ended questions like whom, how, like that. They are assertive type of speaker. Next is opponents. They are really important people because they are the critics. They are very trustworthy. They are strong critic. They will first show you backside of the mirror, like the challenges you may face. Their suggestions are respected as you can come out from your faults. Assertive communicators. They are assertive communicators. They know their rights very well and also can respect for others. They are the good friends. Adversaries. Do not rely on them. They are basically called enemy. Do not open up yourself in front of them. Best way to smile and share body language. And no much of sharing of proposals for seeking advice or suggestions are recommended. They are the aggressive communicators. They are very dominant and carry negative attitude. Fence-sitters. As the name suggests, they are always in topsy-turvy. They will be neutral most of the times. They are very shy and usually they do not know their rights. They are the passive communicators. They fail to express their feelings, need, or opinion. Now the last one is bedfellows. They never say you no in front of you. They will show that they are your best friend. They will agree whatever you say. But they may not follow the same agreement when they come in action. So from them, better to maintain distance. They are also the passive communicator. Now we will understand These various type of communicators with different type of communication with the help of design thinking. How design thinking addresses categorizing people in one of the above 5 clusters. It is not the politics, but the need to be aware of the people who practices the politics. Politics may or may not always be in your favor. Here the examples is taken of office. It can be at home, in a group of friends. We will follow design thinking to know below. How to know in which group the user falls. Prepare yourself for each group of people.
Let's delve into how design thinking tackles the categorization of individuals into one of the 5 clusters mentioned above.
Let's discuss first DT tool, peer-to-peer observations. It's to understand at eye level the fact of truth. Obtain a better understanding of the persona. Observations locations can be emails, conferences, meetings, etc. The observations of peers help to understand how peers or the persona behaves in the natural environment. In ideal conditions, this tool is used to explore the behavior and the needs of users in a natural and inconspicuous way. The left side tool is slightly tailored to best fit our needs. 1. Always make a distinction between 2. Observation and interpretation. 3. Describe what is seen. 4. Interpret the behavior. 5. Infer relevant conclusions from it.
Let's discuss second DT tool, user or persona profile. Learn more about the user or customer and a possible solution. Create a fictional character who is a potential customer, user of one of the 5 clusters described above. This is a customer profile tool, which is used to understand users in a better way. The actual aim of the tool is to learn more about the pains, gains, and tasks to be fulfilled of the persona in the context of the problem statements. The same tool is used for the category of the user in the domain of office politics to know a user in a better way. It's a way to prepare well for the challenge even before the challenge is encountered.
Let's discuss third DT tool, analysis question builder. It's somewhat like the fishbone theory created by Professor Kaoru Ishikawa, which shows the potential causes of a specific event. The tool helps in identifying relevant factors of influence. Once after defining the persona, prepare the kind of questionnaire or prepare the expectation of the persona. Example, if suppose the implementation had gone wrong. 1. Define the center of the analysis questions. The event, process or service or product must address to the requirement and for the same relevant factors are defined. 2. Define relevant factors or sub-relevant factors for influence. 3. Mark the important point for discussion.
Let's understand the tools in better way by taking his use case. In his workplace, Mr. Rohit interacts with various stakeholders, each displaying distinct behaviors. Some of his colleagues exhibit pleasant attitudes, while others behave surprisingly. Rohit finds it challenging to inquire about the unexpected behavior directly. Consequently, he must take the initiative to handle the situation more effectively on his own.
Rohit felt categorizing peers would help him to take constructive action henceforth. So based on peer-to-peer observations, he created a user profile and segmented the group.
We conclude with the facts that design thinking tools are commonly utilized to enhance understanding of users. However, they are also applied on a personal level to help individuals become accustomed to using them for self-improvement. This personal familiarity facilitates their application at the organizational level or on a larger scale with ease. Our goal is to integrate creative thinking throughout various aspects of life, nurturing it as a natural attitude, not merely a procedure. Thanks. Kindly consider liking and subscribing to explore further about the creative thinking process. Let's stay connected and embark on a journey of learning together, contributing to a more improved and inspiring world.